आमी नातालांचो समारोह आमच्या कॉलेजीन करता. आंकवार मारिया आनी जुसे बालका जेजूक जल्माक हाडूंक जागो सोदताली, पूण कोणेच तांकां दार काडूंक ना. शेकी ती गोरवाच्या गोट्यान एका खावणीत बालका जेजूक जल्माक हाडटात. आंच बोडवे देवाक वाकाडून जेजूचो जल्म परगट करतात. आंच बोडवे कांतार करतात खुशाल जावन अंत्रोलार, संवसारांत जल्मला म्हणून आमचो सोड म्हणटात. स्वर्गांत देव देवला म्हूण मनशाक करूंक साकार, आमी आसले आदावे वेच्या पातकाकार. जल्माच्या वेळार नखेत्राचो उजवाड अजाप कसले गोडे. मोरयांनीच्या वेळार ते त्याच वखदार ते जाणपाचे सोडून आपले गोदार पडूंक गेले, पूण जल्मला तो सोड म्हणटात. जल्माच्या वेळार नखेत्राचो उजवाड अजाप कसले गोडे. मोरयांनीच्या वेळार ते त्याच वखदार ते जाणपाचे सोडून आपले गोदार पडूंक गेले, पूण जल्मला तो सोड म्हणटात. Dezembrace 25 तारखेर अजाप घडलें, अंत्रोलार एक पोरसोरीक नखेत्र उदेलें. तेगराय ते पळोवन गोडान ते भायर सरले, नखेत्रा फाटल्यान ते वचून बागाक पेटले. देवाचो पूत गोरवाच्या गोट्यान जल्मलो, कारण मारीक पिराय दिवंक तयार नासलो. गोडाच्या हातूंतल्यान बाळशियान कडकडलो, कार्तिकायेचो रस्तो आमकां दाखयलो. देवाचो पूत गोरवाच्या गोट्यान जल्मलो, कारण मारीक पिराय दिवंक तयार नासलो. गोडाच्या हातूंतल्यान बाळशियान कडकडलो, कार्तिकायेचो रस्तो आमकां दाखयलो. जेजूच्या जल्माची कुशालकाय सगळ्याक वाटुया आनी उल्हासान गायनान म्हणुया. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare Him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men the songs employ, while fields and floods, rock fields and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. No more the sins and sorrow flow, no thorns infest the ground. He comes to make His blessings flow. Far as the curse is found, far as the curse is found, far as the curse is found. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations flow. The glories of His righteousness, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love. नाचुया नाचुया नाताला म्हणून सांता क्लॉस आयलो पळय चॉकलेटी घेवन. सांता क्लॉसाक मेळोंक तुमी येयात धांवून धांवून. Dashing through the snow in one hop open sleigh, oh where will we go? Laughing all the way, bells and bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, जेजूक जल्माक हाडुया. सगल्यांक तुमकां बोरमाशान बोलोलें आनी खोशेची नातालां आवडेता. खोशेची नातालां, खुशालकाय, खोशेची नातालां, खुशालकाय, खोशेची नातालां. जेजू जल्मला, खुशालकाय, संवसार बक्षी जाला. खुशालकाय, जेजू जल्मला, संवसाराची रोखणारे आमकां दिला. खुशाल गोरीक नातालां तुमकां, खुशाल गोरीक नातालां तुमकां. काळजाचे दोळायेक नांव. खुशाल गोरीक नातालां तुमकां, खुशाल गोरीक नातालां तुमकां, खुशाल गोरीक नातालां तुमकां. काळजाचे दोळायेक नांव. देव बरें करूं. ही जी आमी कातरां म्हणल्यार ती आमच्या मांदूरच्या फिरगोजांनी घडलेली आनी म्हज्या डॅडीन घडलेली, कंपोज केल्ली. थँक्यू सो मच.
What a beautiful blend of voices. The harmony, expressions, and Christmas energy were truly delightful.
Okay, so now we have another spot prize. Now this is also for the teachers as well as the students. So the spot prize is as follows. Any student or a teacher who has a picture either with a Christmas tree or with a crib, you can come forward and then you get the spot prize. Anyone? Come on, you don't have a picture with a Christmas tree or a crib. Search. I have a picture. Not good. No, it's a picture. You have? Okay, Vizada has it with the Christmas tree. So she wins the spot prize. All of you please clap for her. I request Disha to come and give away the spot prize to Vizada. Thank you, Disha.
Up next, we have the second group ready to present their set of carols. Requesting our dear audience to keep the festive energy alive and welcome them warmly with an applause.
सोडून टाकती आपोल्यात मोडावता काटेगोरी गोड्यान म्हाका पोसून आमी बाबातात जेजूचे पांया पोल्या येयात नमस्कार कोरात येयात नमस्कार कोरात येयात नमस्कार कोरात सोम्या पयशिल्ल्या देसांतले जेजू पोसूंक आयले पयशिल्ल्या देसांतले जेजू पोसूंक आयले तेगवीत वारून तिचे आपलो गांव सोडून आयले नोकेच्या फाटल्यान गेले जेरुसलेम ते पावले पयशिल्ल्या देसांतले जेजू पोसूंक आयले पयशिल्ल्या देसांतले जेजू पोसूंक आयले पातशाय खंय सुदेवाचो रासा खंय कासोल मोला नमस्कार ताका कोच्या ताका आयला पांय पडच्या पयशिल्ल्या देसांतले जेजू पोसूंक आयले पयशिल्ल्या देसांतले जेजू पोसूंक आयले Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ. Wide fields and floods, rock hills and plains. Repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love. Take the halls with balls of holy, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don't be now a gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Join the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measures, fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, fa la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the winds and weather, fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail wings, making spirits bright. What fun is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad. Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Kushala Dara, Kushala Dara, Kushala Dara, Kushala Dara, Kushala Dara. Amrita Tumka Kushala Dara. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
That was truly a wonderful performance by the group. Let's give them a big hand. And now it's time for another spot prize. It's open to the teachers as well as the students. So, each or any student or teacher having the maximum number of ornaments won today should come and claim the spot prize. Any teacher or any student who has won the maximum number of ornaments today has to come and claim the prize. Yes, it's open to the students as well as the teachers. Okay, so we have our winner, it's Kritali. Everyone, please give her a big hand. Requesting Prajakta to give away the spot prize to Kritali. Yes, everyone, please clap for her.
Now we have a final group performing their melodious carols. Let's call them with a round of applause.
Hey, what are you
Novita, Feliz Novita, Feliz Novita, Feliz Novita, Prospero año felicidad. Feliz Novita, Feliz Novita, Feliz Novita, Feliz Novita, Feliz Novita, Prospero año felicidad. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our hearts. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our hearts. A Jesus on mola, a Jesus on mola, a Jesus on mola, a Jesus on mola, a Jesus on mola. Foi puxa minha fui giriba, puxa corina tala tunga, puxa corina tala tunga, puxa corina tala tunga, casa che ora então, puxa corina tala tunga. Kusha Corina dalla tunga, Kusha Corina dalla tunga, casa c'è ora
Okay, so now we have another sport prize. So the sport prize is the person that is either a teacher or a student who has the most amount of followers gets this sport prize. Okay, teachers have 9,104 followers. Anyone who has more than that? Okay, I'm assuming it's a no. So ma'am, you get the spot prize. Please clap from ma'am Pranjali. I request Ritika to give away the spot prize. Teacher.
Public figure.
Save the public figure himself.
Okay, so a big cheer for all our carol singers. Each group has added a special musical touch to our celebration today. Okay, so we are coming up with another game, that is smashing the box. So, requesting Sia to give us the instructions.
Good day everyone. Smashing the Box is a very fun and exciting Christmas game where the participants test their sense of direction and luck. So what happens over here is the player is blindfolded and gently rotated before trying to smash the box, which you can see over here on the ground. Okay, so for this, what we want is we want 2 teachers from the teachers team and we want 1 student from each team. So the one who smashes the box becomes the winner, and audiences, you're free to guide or misguide the participants. Okay, so please do come up over here and let's have this fun, exciting game started. Come on, teachers. from team Karna. What about the other two teams? Come on, quick.
I'm not doing the political
Teams, please hurry up. Please send one member.
So we want team Karan.
What about other teams? Where are they? Come on, just one member. Okay, we have team Griffin member over here. The last team. Come on, just one member. Where are you all? Okay, so we have got our 3 members. Okay? And also our teachers, yes. 2 sirs are also there. Okay? So first we'll have the students round and then we'll continue with the teachers. Okay, so are you guys ready? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, fine. We'll begin. Which team is going first?
Karan.
Okay, team Karna over here. Okay? Jyoti is representing team Karna. Yeah, you have to come over here with me, blindfolding you. Okay, come. He's going to spin you around. And you have to just try hitting the box. Blindfolded.
That is the fun part.
Yes, students are allowed to shout and guide on this guide.
Biscuit only. Biscuit only.
My team will guide me, Anishka. See, I can hear your voice, okay? Louder.
Okay, so are we ready to begin? Okay, so we are going to begin with the game. Team. And another thing, important point to note, each member is just having, each participant is having only one chance to strike. Okay, very good, Jyoti. Congratulations to Jyoti and her team. The game, as you all know, ends over here because we got a winner. Thank you.
I got 5
Okay, what I have come to know is that this was the trial round. The team is yet to begin. Okay. So another thing to note is that when you're going to go and you're going to hit, we are going to check the timer. So yeah, the less time you take, You win. Okay, come on, let's do it again.
Don't kick the ball. Don't kick the ball.
Okay, another thing to know. Another thing to note, what we're going to do now is that we are going to first. Okay. Fine. So who is going first now? Come on. So now we have Sushila from Team Griffin. The timer starts now.